Hi, I'm Craig Jenke. Welcome to the M365 Chicago Community Channel.
And I'm Ralph Rivas, the co-host of the Community Channel.
Welcome to our channel. We originally started this channel to broadcast out our events that we were doing that spun off of SharePoint Saturday Chicago. And now we don't have any events planned out for the future, but we have been running separately a different channel for our Power Platform user group.
Sometimes we'll have an event. Maybe as you're watching this, there is an event that's coming up very soon. Do watch the websites as well. But essentially, we're consolidating everything Chicago for the community into one beautiful place. Makes it easier for us to manage and makes it easier for you to find our stuff.
Yeah, so we're going to be streaming our Power Platform user group meetings, kind of rebranding those to just M365 Chicago, so they may be more than just Power Platform. A lot of co-pilot, a lot of agents, that kind of thing. We will occasionally be doing interviews with some other people who are creating in the community, and I think we're going to be doing some tutorial videos as we go. So just to move forward, as Ralph said, keep everything in one nice place. Easy to
Absolutely. We're crossing the streams. We're reversing the flow of the river like they did in Chicago 100 years ago. Well, we're doing it now. We're changing the way we're doing things over here again because we want to make it much easier for you to consume. And we would love for you to subscribe and join us over here in this adventure and do, as they say, be interactive as much as possible because this is for you, the community. And we would like to be able to do not just what we like to do because it's fun, but what you would like us to do as well.
Yes, so exactly. So please subscribe and drop any kind of notes that you might want to see content of in the channel below, and we'll try to cover that as best we can.